Hey man, say man, sing dollars better tap in for it's goddamn too late. For real, not for real. Then I'm goddamn saying, boy. Today, the Motordyne exhaust will be getting delivered. And I will be having it installed on by tomorrow. So it will be a 2-day kind of video, but I'm gonna put it all in one. When I have them install them, I'm gonna make sure I try to get some before, and after clips, and I'm gonna try to get a lot of different just sound clips from in the cabin, from outside the cabin, to like in the garage, kind of like driving, just all kind of clips so you can kind of see how it sounds with the AMS lower downpipe and with the Motordyne full catback exhaust. So you better keep tapping in for it's goddamn too late. For real, nah, for real. You did what I'm goddamn saying, boy. Now, I went ahead, just received the Motordyne exhaust. It was 2 packages. They shipped it in 2 packages because how much weight it was. So I got one in the trunk and one right here. I'm gonna do a little unboxing real quick so you can get some footage of it so you can see it before it gets installed on by INFINITI. say, man, $18 better tap in for it's goddamn too late. For real, nah, for real dead, I'm goddamn saying, boy. Y'all know I do not get my hands dirty and I do not break a goddamn sweat. Right now, I'm heading over to Infinity. I'm gonna let them install my Motordyne catback exhaust for me. It's kind of raining right now, man. It's going crazy. So I'm not gonna be able to get too many before clips, but I will make sure I get a lot of different clips of the exhaust installed, and make sure I get a lot of different flybys, in cabin, downshifts, all kind of clips for you guys. So I'm gonna be working on this video for probably like 2-3 days to get a real good video for you guys. So you better keep tapping in for it's goddamn too late. For real, nah, for real. You dead on goddamn saying, boy. This is just some revs inside the cabin with just the AMS lower downpipe stock exhaust. And they got a vet for sale now. They let me back in the shop now. I'm about to go ahead and do a little test drive. He's gonna hop in the car with me, the little mechanic while I work on my car. I'm gonna make sure everything is fine. We did a little test drive with the mechanic, Scott. And I went ahead and got his information as well too, and he gave me some information about how most of these dealerships are as far as like with mods and everything. So I'm somewhat kind of covered with everything I got. He said the lower downpipes could be an iffy thing, but the manager where I go is cool, so he ain't gonna trip. It just depends on other that shit sound good, don't it? Definitely feel the extra little punch from the catback exhaust as well too. That's for sure. Hey man, same dollars. Better tap in if it was goddamn too late. For real, not for real. You did on goddamn saying, boy. We went in here and got the Motordyne exhaust put on. You see it look real nice. Now when they sent me the exhaust, they sent me the wrong directions for some reason. So I called up to them and complained to them. They sent me a free shirt, some decals, and they also sent me an extra pair of exhaust tips. They're just the silver ones though. Now I'm gonna do a giveaway at 1,000 subscribers for my exhaust tips, but I'm also gonna do a giveaway at 500 subscribers for some other different products I have that I'm gonna give away. So you better keep tapping in for the giveaway videos, and I'm also going to post a lot of more videos, shorter ones of the exhaust, you know, revving it up, doing flybys and cold starts. That way you don't gotta watch this whole entire video if you don't want to. You better keep tapping in if it was goddamn too late. For real, not for real. You did on goddamn saying, boy.